Hi, my name is John Gherkin. I'm an attorney at Richmond Bona, and we are here today at the Cheektowaga Town Park to volunteer at a Compeer event.
Today is Friendship Fest. It's a great opportunity for all of our clients to come out, our volunteers. We have our clients' families, their friends come out. We're doing arts and crafts. We have rock painting today, face painting. We're catered by Chevettas, so we're sharing a good meal as well.
Well, as an attorney, we represent a ton of people from this community, and I think it's really important that we come out into the community and give back and volunteer for the people that we're helping.
I love seeing all of our clients and volunteers interacting with each other. They check in, they say, hi, how are things? We see people step out of their comfort zone because we give them a supportive environment to do that. So they play games with each other, meet new friends, and have a good time.
I really like volunteering in the community and helping and seeing everybody who comes to the event.
When we have community organizations like Richmond Bona come out, it shows that they care. You know, you don't have to be in the mental health industry to be a friend. You don't have to be in the mental health industry to show that you care about those who live with mental health challenges. It's a great way to just interact with your community and Compeer.